Good afternoon. This is Alan Ray Mamuyak, and I present you the latest and walang kaparis na cellphone nagmula pa sa ibang bansa. I present you this Nokia 5300 touch. It has a built-in camera, MP3 player, media player, video player, and especially madaming games. Kita nyo? Hindi ano?
Ilang minutes pa to?
7. And that's it. Ito lang ang merong pinaka-latest ko. Wala na akong iba. Kaya tama na.